1 month less 2 days. Will it start? Haven't seen it.
I didn't expect that.
Holy shit. That was not as good as I thought it would be, but boom, we got power. About 2:30 in the morning. I've been driving for a couple hours. As you can tell, it's kind of nasty out. Car's still got its summers, and I gotta get it up on the driveway. Oh joy. This is it. This is all she's got. This is probably 10 or 12 attempts rocking her back and forth all the way from the other side of the street back up. Time to shovel. Well, I guess it was bound to happen eventually. I had to scrape the shit out of this and take about 35, 40 runs at it, but got it in the driveway. Mission accomplished. Every time I see my car, I try to see it, play the game, will it start? When I got here last night, the LEDs in the back started blinking because of the ghosting power, so here we go. Well, that wasn't the best one yet, but let's let it run. I was going to take it out for a bit of a drive today, but it snowed last night, so she's going to get what she's going to get. Been running for a while, got the battery all charged up, pressed all the buttons, went over the car, made sure everything looked good, she sounds good. Not to rust it to hell, but we'll put new lug nuts on it in the spring. I still have it. Give it some of the snow off, just because kind of feel bad that she's getting abandoned. Somebody threw a newspaper at it, so thanks for that. Yeah, she's running, doing good. Again, I would have taken her for a quick zip today and gonna put 20 minutes on it, but no such luck. Should have put the winters on, so I could have done that anyways, but not gonna bother now. Love this car. Still can't believe I own it. Absolutely insane. This is the meanest sounding Escalade you will ever see. Just kidding.